friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It's been a long time and I'm so happy to see you on this beautiful Friday. So I haven't posted in a very long time. I think in the last couple weeks. This is only my second video and I'm sorry. I want to apologize for that. Just having a rough moment right now. Scott has been very sick and he had a pretty significant procedure yesterday, but he is on a good course of healing and getting back to his old self, and he's, doing really well from it, and I think that it's all gonna be good. But unfortunately, YouTube has not been on my mind's priority list right now. So I'm super sorry for that. And I'm really behind in getting like my craft room put back together, not even close. However, I do have my bedroom with the black carpet a good ways put together. There's still several things that have to be done, and the closet's a mess, but I'm going to show it to you so you can see how the black carpet turned out. I apologize, I don't have a before and after. Before the carpet was brown, I did do a video and showed you guys my dog ate my bed. And the new bed is from Amazon. I will link it. I know I've been so bad about linking stuff, and no excuse, but I've just had so much going on. So I'm going to try and sit down this weekend and go through some of even my previous videos and link some things that I should have been linking, and I'm going to be better about that. And once all of this is over and Scott is better, my goal for this year was to really be so much better with this channel, and I'm going to. I promise, I promise, I promise, I promise. But I just, I did want to, show you the black carpet and how it looked. And like I said, the dog ate my bed a few months ago. I showed you that. And the old carpet, it was gross. I wasn't going to take video of it before. My old Wheaton, who she was 15 when she died, Chloe, back in earlier videos, you guys saw her, and she was very old. And before she passed away, she got to where at times she would be incontinent, and I tried to keep her as well as I could, but I wasn't willing to not let her sleep in my room with me. She had slept in my room her entire life, and I just, her last days were more important to me than my carpet, to be perfectly honest with you. So I just tried to clean it the best that I could with my carpet cleaner. And then the dog, Raina, the newer puppy, I think, because there was scent there from Chloe, and after Chloe died, she tore holes in the carpet. So yeah, it was bad. It had to be done. But I wanted to wait until I knew for a fact that Reese and Raina were both, well in a place where they weren't gonna mess up any carpet. And they absolutely are. They don't chew things up anymore. Both of them are extremely housebroken. I can leave Raina for about 10 hours and she can hold it. Reese can hold it for probably 12, 13, 14. He never, if he goes to the bathroom in the house, it's a bad day. So anyways, enough of all of that. I'm rambling. And oh, how do you like my new coffee cup? I got this at Disney Springs. And look, this is a koozie. How stinking cute is this? Isn't this adorable? I love it. Love it. All right, let's go look at the room. All right, so here is the room with the black carpet. I did do a video, I showed you guys where she ate my bed. I was gonna fix the bed, but when I decided I wanted black carpet, I decided that I wanted a black bed also. And there are the wild wildebeests doing something that is unnatural for them, being calm. So the carpet before was brown, and now we have black. I had thought about doing the wall there black, and then I changed my mind. So as you can see, I still have a lot of stuff to put away. I haven't gotten everything back on my makeup vanity. I did black curtains. And so this wall right here where the TV is, I'm gonna do a faux wall with a fireplace and then the TV in it, and that will be black to kind of come up in it. I'm going to be putting a chandelier up there to have, you know, more of like the silver beady beads. And there's my Lululemon mirror. And, you know, so just so you can see how the black carpet looks, I really like it a lot. I think it turned out super, super good. And I think when that black faux wall is there with the fireplace and then the chandelier, I think it'll come together super nice, and I'll show it to you when I do. Now my closet, I was afraid my closet would look really small with the black carpet, but it really doesn't. So my closet is a mess because I haven't had a chance to get it all back together, and I had to just like throw things up into places in order to get it off the floor for them to do, you know, the carpet in here. But the black carpet I don't think is too bad in here. I was going to do the pack system in here, but it's going to be the last thing that I do because I have so many other things to do, and, you know, just, you know, things are expensive. So at some point I am going to do a pack system in here because I'd like to have a good, like, all the way around for all of this stuff. The closet's a little bigger than it does seem, but I do, like, I have these little shelves here that are from the, from Walmart that are actually really handy. I think I'm going to get one more to put, like, over here. I know this is a mess. I still got to get this cleaned up, but I did want you to, you know, see that, you know, the carpet is also extended into, of course, the closet. And yeah, that's it. So here is my room with the black carpet and the sleeping monsters. You can imagine Raina, when it is nighttime and everything's off, she gets very lost in that carpet. Sometimes I can't even see her. So, yeah. They're the sweet bubbas. Oh, and they heard something. It's over. Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Oh, they're going to lay back down. All right, listen, you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.